Rlaarlo P12! Rally Beast!
This beast is an animal. For this size, it's an impressive rally car. I'm telling you guys, highly recommend it. I had it for a while. I didn't do the speed test before. It was actually really good. Stay, watch the video, my Condoritos. Thank you for watching. This is a special one, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, my Condoritos. Here we got this beauty now. The Rlaarlo P12. The GPS is installed. It is measuring. Well, I hope it's measuring. See? Yep, it is moving. Yep, the full power. Guys, I'm estimating around 35-36 miles an hour on this little car. Let's see. Full throttle. Something is going on here. I don't think that. Alright guys, now we got it. Alright. Full speed now. There you go, now we got full throttle. Go back, baby. Full throttle there. This little thing run fast, guys. Telling you. Those tires look awesome on this little car. Okay, let's see. Let's see this fastest. Or what's the speed? Alright guys, let's take a look here really quick. I'm estimating 35, 36, 37, alright? So 37 miles an hour on this car. That's good. I'm gonna run it on these original tires just to make sure. So we good. 37 is the number. Back a little bit. And got it. They don't have enough grip, so I'm gonna put the other tire. Alright guys, we got this beautiful car again with the original tires. Because I think honestly the other one looks awesome, looks dope, but definitely okay. Let's just wait. Okay, you got 12 satellites, track start. And of course, it has a fresh battery there, a Rlaarlo original battery. Oh wow, that looks so much quicker. Full speed. I probably gain 1 or 2 miles per hour with this tire. That's my estimation. Let's see if my estimation of 1 or 2 more miles per hour were good.
You didn't think it was possible,
34.
did you?
34, I just can't believe it. The other ones were quicker. This is what I'm talking about.
Then another, nothing else we'd rather do. Rlaarlo P12, go. Rlaarlo P12, go. Dust in the air, let the gravel fly. Slide through the corner and never ask why. RC is a way of life. Greasy hands and a tuning knife. Pit table covered in dirt and sand. Transmitter always in our hand. We send them, pass them, break them, fix them, crash and rebuild. Every repair gets us back to the win. Numbers climb in the sun. One more pass, we're not done yet. Chasing a speed we haven't hit. Send another pack, let the motor sing. Send another pack, hear the tires scream. Rlaarlo P12 flying down the lane. Every time makes us do it again. Send another pack, down today. Let it eat all day. Street lights blur and the dust kicks back. We're living for the next throttle attack. Parking lot turns to a rally stage. Sliding sideways like it's center page. Storm drain jump and a sidewalk gap. Landed clean and we ran it back. Little rocks hidden underneath. Gravel flying from the spinning feet. Every corner gets thrown in style. Four-wheel drift for another mile. Temperature good, gearing right. Everything's feeling locked. Thanks for watching through to the very end. I truly appreciate the time you spent. You stay all the way, that means a lot to me. From the bottom of my heart, I'm glad you're here with me. I appreciate your time. RC cars for life. I truly appreciate every minute you gave. Thanks for watching, my friend. See you on the next one. I love these RC cars. The speed that turns the race. Till next time, take care and keep that fire in your place.